Hi, your name is Micah. You like Rubik's Cube. Haha.
You're Christine. You see how she's trying to grab it. And this is Amanda. Amanda's mad at me right now. I don't know why she's mad at me. She just is. Because she hates my guts. She has magic. She can make it go round and round.
No, stop it. Stop it. Amanda. Amanda. Look at how ghetto the Rubik's Cube is. See? All of that white stuff is the missing colors. Yeah, where'd he go? Did you just leave?
I think there's enough white pieces to make a white one.
No, there's not.
There is. I just pulled off like 7.
Oh my god. He's gonna be really mad whenever he gets it back. I stopped taking pictures of my phone. I don't believe it.
Was a symbol for whose pride is equal.
Now let's watch Amanda. I have my moolah. I'm recording.
Why are you playing with me?
I'm following you.
What's Amanda? Okay.
You're kind of boring.
Ew. I'm recording. Oh, okay. See, it's open. Someone just came out of it.
Ha 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 ha.
I think I should do this every day.
I wasn't there. I had to go to the dentist. Come on, let's go walking around. It'll be more interesting. Are we bringing our bags? No, I'm leaving my bag.
Miss the camera.
Are these supposed to be like people's faces? Okay, this is Kiko. I talked to him. This is Queelie. I don't really talk to her that much anymore. These are gummy worms.
I'm her whole life.
Yes, I worship Kahel, and
She lives in my heart.
we're gonna be for Halloween.
No offense to Honey.
Oh.
Oh gosh.